Welcome to Living Healthy Chicago. I'm Jane Klaus. Now, we know that a healthy lifestyle can benefit our bodies in so many ways, but did you know that that includes keeping our hormones balanced too? Well, today, we're going to learn how to make that happen. Today, Dr. Dominic Patawaran is joining us to break it all down, and we know that hormones play such a huge role in our bodies, but most days we don't even think about them, but we know they're important. So, doctor, can you explain what their function is?
Hormones are chemical substances that are part of the endocrine system, and they go to different organs in our body to help regulate how they function. So they can influence metabolism, sexual development, growth, energy, and they really play a big role in keeping the body balanced and well regulated.
Can you explain how and why our hormones change as we age?
There are some hormones that naturally decline as a part of aging. They also can be impacted by our lifestyles, chronic stress. As you know, we were dealing with the pandemic, and it's these levels of dysregulation that can be impactful on how people live their daily lives that then lead to clinical symptoms.
We know that there are medical treatments that can help balance or manage our hormones, but lifestyle practices are also very important to help managing hormones.
Lifestyle management, I always think, is the key place to start when it comes to trying to help support or balance out those hormones. So we always look at diet. Are we getting a well-balanced diet that is rich in organic whole foods? Are we getting good sources of omega-3 fatty acids? Beyond diet, exercise is very important to help support our hormones. Getting good sleep and keeping good circadian rhythms really can help keep hormones balanced. You can absolutely make an impact by changing and recognizing things in your lifestyle that you can adjust.
Let's get gender specific now about certain types of hormones, and we'll start with women and the change of hormones that happen during menopause.
Yes, so estrogen and progesterone, really important hormones for women, helping regulate fertility, obviously controlling the cycle. And as women reach that menopausal place, there's a decline in those estrogens. And it's that drop in estrogens that contributes to a lot of the symptoms. There are foods that you can use. They're called phytoestrogens. These are things like ground flaxseed, organic whole soy foods. They bind those estrogen receptors and may actually help support some of those symptoms that you're feeling. Making sure that you have good vitamin D, omega-3 fats to lower inflammation can be very helpful. Minimizing alcohol and avoiding excess caffeine can decrease that exacerbation of hot flashes and symptoms that you feel.
Now I need to talk about men. Men, as they age, have a sometimes drop in testosterone. Does that happen to all men? And is it as drastic as a change for women?
Men actually go through a similar process. It's actually called andropause. And about 40% of men, by the time they're in their 40s, start to have an impact actually in their hormones. They feel like they're gaining more weight. They seem to be putting on more fat, less muscle mass. You can actually even see mood issues like depression, even anxiety, as those hormones become suboptimal. How you live, that can keep those levels higher for longer periods of time. Foods like great omega-3 fatty acids to support the production of hormones as well as inflammation in the system. Really getting good quality proteins. Strength training is really impactful to help build testosterone. There are some supplements that can help support testosterone. Sometimes we use zinc, which is really important in the production of testosterone.
I love it. We're talking with Dr. Dominic Patawaran, an integrative medicine physician. And when we come back, we are going to talk about hormone conditions that can affect everybody. All right, if you liked this video and you want more information about living a healthy life, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.